Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about Docker Detached mode and logs. How we can able to see this all the things. Okay. What is a Detached mode? Before that, we can start with the Docker desktop. Okay, with this only we can able to do it. Now I'm going to run this one. Okay. Now we are able to present. Now I'm going to use for another one. Okay. I will open this one. Lokesh 705. Yeah. Okay, if I run now, I'm going to open for my command prompt. Now maximizing this. Now we can able to run for docker run -p. Okay, -p, and we can able to use for 500, 5000 and 5000 port. Okay, this is mine, and I'm going to use for Python :0.0.1 dot release. Okay, if I run now, so you can see there are some logs are displaying. Okay, there are some logs are displaying. Okay, and without these logs, if you want to see, you can able to use it. Okay, there are two public repositories, and I am using for one of them, and this is my own public repository. If you want, you can able to use it. Otherwise, you don't want this one, and if you want 28 minutes and Python, if you want this also, both are public repositories. Okay, if you want to create your own public repository, that also you can able to create. Okay, now I'm going to control making. Both are same, there is no issue. Okay. See, if you see, there are some information it is providing, right? Now if you run here localhost 5000, you can able to see. Okay, now if we run for dash mode, okay, now I'm going to control C. Now same thing I'm going to run with the adding specification of -d. Specification of -d. -d is a detached mode. Okay, now you can see it is having only container ID, but it is not provided for this much of information. Even it is not provide anything like this, but it is provided only for the small information. Okay, without that you can able to run and see also. Okay, now you can see again. See, still it is presented with the specification of this particular idea also. It is able to, we can able to run that one. Okay, the simplest way. Okay, how many like without, you don't want this entire information, then we can able to use a dust mode. Okay, then how we can able to see for logs and all. If you want to see for the logs, then how we can able to see? Now we can able to see here docker logs Docker logs, and here we can able to, here there is information is presented, right? You can able to provide complete information, or else you can able to provide only the particular message, something off of that. See what all the information it is provided, this all the things are provided. Okay, you can able to see all the information from here, when it is happen, and when it is activated, and everything it will provide. Okay, if you run for Docker images, see it will provide for the what all the images are presented, and everything it will be displayed. Okay, these are the basic information about the Docker mode. That particular detection mode is basically to removing for unwanted logs. Without seeing the logs, we can able to see for only that information about the Docker ID. Okay, that is ID it will provide you. That based upon the ID, if you want to see the logs again, then you can able to use for Docker logs, and you can able to specify the which is the message it is displayed. Using that, can I get the complete, or can I use complete? That also you can able to use, or else half of that also you can able to use, like Docker logs and 95D4. See, same logs it is providing. Okay, you can able to specify starting which is uniquely presented, the starting time. Okay, that it will provide you the information about it. Okay, what exactly it is presented, and it is running or not, and all the things it will provide the information. What all the information it is provided on the top, the same thing it is provided for down as well, without any issue. Both the cases you can able to use. Okay, this is the simplest way of logs getting. Okay, if you want, you can able to check now. If you use it here, now we are using, this is the one, right? Now one more thing I can do it here, 5001. Now one more it is started. Okay, now I'm just opening for another command prompt. Okay, now I'm copying this particular one. Okay, I'm going to here, and we can see here a Docker logs, and I'm going to hit it here. Okay, it is provided this much. Okay, now again here I'm going to use for localhost 5001. Now I'm hitting. Now you can see there is a hello world it is displayed. Now again I'm going to hit the same one. Now you can see there is a another calling. See the previous, whenever we call the logs, right? You can see when we logs we started, we are not get the any log to display, right? Now after hitting that URL, you can able to see there is a git log is presented. Okay, and again if I refresh, okay, and again we are going to hit it again. Now see, again one more get call is happening. Get call. Okay, again I'm going to use for here and refreshed, and again I'm coming back, and again I'm hitting. See, third time again we are able to get the get log with the 200 status. Like this, how many times you want, that many times you can able to hit, and you need to get the logs whether it is hitting or not. Okay, this way you can able to achieve logs to see how many times that particular endpoint you are getting or not. Everything you can able to know from here. Okay, by using the logs you can able to get the all the logs. If you are not doing anything, then it will not give you anything. Okay, like the first time we are doing that, just hitting, right? We don't have any logs because we are not able to hit that moment for URL as well, because that's why we are not able to get for any log. Okay, after we one time we refreshed, okay, after that we hit the docker logs, then we first time we got this one, and again we refresh the page again, and again it is giving a 200 one more time, and again we done for one more time, then again we got that another log itself. Okay, like this we can able to get n number of logs. Okay, but you have to do for separate command prompts to use it, then only you can able to get the proper logs. Okay, while I'm using here, we are not able to get the proper logs, right? Now completely is completed, right? Then we can able to use it now. FCE17. Now see, three times it got be hitted. Here also we can able to, but if you give the separate, right, you can able to see the proper information. Okay, to understanding purpose. Even you know that where we have that our particular container ID and everything, you can able to see. Okay, this is the simplest way you can able to get the dust mode and logs getting information. Okay, I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.